Welcome to Math Olympiad. Let's learn some number theory uh, problems and solve them, and also learn a trick how to solve it easily. So the problems are listed here. Basically, these are all square root of infinite series problems. So if you find a problem in such type given here, how to solve them? Let's see one by one. So first problem, x equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 infinite terms. What is the value of x? We need to find out. So if you see, this is the infinite series and the number is repeating. Okay, so these are the key things to understand the problem first. So if you see after the first square root, the second square root here is still square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 up to infinite terms, which is nothing but x again. So we can write this as x equal to square root of 6 plus x. And if you square both sides, we'll get x square equal to 6 plus x square minus x equal to minus 6 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. How to solve it? You find out the factors of minus 1, 6, and then difference should be minus 1. So you will write minus 3 plus 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, which is nothing but x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x has two values, 3 and minus 2. So if you see this is a square root of positive number, obviously you don't get negative value. So the answer is 3, x equal to 3. So this is how we normally solve the problem. It is easy, but if you want to, if you understand few things here, the blue color numbers minus 3 and 2, if you see this clearly, and x equal to, finally what you got answers is 3 and minus 2, right? So it is just a sign difference, but it is the same factors that you got it here. So if you know this, the trick is very simple to solve these problems. If you get in multiple choice, you don't need to do all this. You just look here. The trick is x value can be easily and accurately calculated if the number in that series is a special. 6 is that special number. Okay, what is specialty about 6? If the number in that series has factors with one difference. Okay, so 6 should have factors which are one difference. We can calculate the value of x. So 6 equal to 3 into 2 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So we have that one different two factors, multiples, right? So which means, and it is an addition series. There is no negative value, all are plus terms. So in such case, you take the higher value of the factors, that is 3 and 2. So you take the higher value, that is x equal to 3 is the solution. This is the trick. But if the same series is with negative values, 6 minus square root of 6 minus square root of 6 minus square root of 6 infinite terms, then method is same, the trick is same, and the answer you should take is the smaller value, which is equal to 2 in this case. So this is the trick we should solve. So let's practice some infinite series questions on this trick. First one is simple. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 infinite terms. So 2 has two factors 1 and 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's very easy, and since it is a positive series, x equal to 2. Next, x equal to square root of 12 minus square root of 12 minus square root of 12 infinite terms. So 12 is 4 into 3, and 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So it's a negative series, so you take the smaller value, so x equal to 3. Next, x equal to square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 infinite terms. 20 equal to 5 into 4, and 5 minus 4 equal to 1. It's a positive series, so you take x as a higher value, which is 5, x equal to 5. So this is how we can easily solve these problems if it comes in the multiple choice. Now let's see, extend this same series and make it more general. Okay, before that, one more problem we'll solve. X equal to 110 minus square root of 110 minus square root of 110 minus square root of 110. So 110 equal to 11 into 10, 11 minus 10 equal to 1. Hence, it's a negative series, so smaller value x equal to 10. Now let's do a more generic problem solving for this same series problem. If you see here, x equal to 8 plus 2 into square root of 8 plus 2 into square root of 8, infinite terms, right? The difference is previously it is 1 into square root. Now it is 2 into square root. That's the only difference. Okay. So the method is same. General method is exactly same because if you see uh, the second square root onwards, it is again infinite series only. Square root of 8 plus 2 star square root of 8. It's again infinite series, so which is nothing but x. So we can rewrite it as x equal to square root of 8 plus 2x. Squaring on both sides, you get x square equal to 8 plus 2x and x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So 8 has two factors, 4 and 2, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So you write it x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, and you get factors of x minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or minus 2. So obviously it's not minus value, so x equal to 4. So if you see here, we solved it in the same way as before. Only difference is the factors are two different. And where is the 2 came from? The 2 is the multiplicative number here, 2 star, right? 2 into the square root. That's why we need to find out the factors which are 2 apart. So the trick is very simple again. So you take the same number. The trick is 8 equal to 4 into 2 and 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So given series is positive. So you just take x as the higher value, which is 4. If it is negative, then you get the lower value as the answer. So x equal to 2. So this is more generic, and in the previous case, we are doing one difference because there is no multiplicative factor, which means it is 1 star, right? So this is more generic. So let's solve some problems here, some practice problems. X equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. So 2 has, here it is multiplicative factor is 1. So you will find the factors which are difference of 1. So 2 equal to 2 into 1 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. It's a positive series, so x equal to 2. Okay, x equal to square root of 15 minus 2 into square root of 15 minus 2 into square root of 15 infinite terms. In this case, you see the multiplicative factor 2 here. So factors should have two difference. So 15 equal to 5 into 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So answer is 3 because it's a negative series. Okay, x equal to 10 plus square root of 10 plus 3 into square root of 10 plus 3 into square root of 10 infinite terms. Here 10 has factors 5 and 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. It's a positive series, so x equal to 5. So last in this, x equal to square root of 27 minus 6 star, 6 into square root of 27 minus 6 into square root of 27 infinite terms. 27 has two factors, 9 into 3, and 9 minus 3 equal to 6. So it suits. Since it's a negative series, sorry, it's not 10, the answer is 3. The answer is 3 here in the last problem. So if I rewrite the general trick, x equal to square root of m plus n into square root of m plus n into square root of m infinite terms like this. Conditions are it should be infinite series. M equal to, you should have two factors a into b such that a minus b equal to n. In that case, answer is A because it's a positive series. You will take positive value which is A minus B. A is greater than B, so you take the bigger value. If it is a negative series, you will take the lower value as the answer. So x equal to B. The conditions are same. It should be infinite series and M should have two factors A and B where A into B equal to M and A minus B equal to M. So this is a general trick given here. Let's just extend it to one more time. If there is no addition or subtraction, simply it is multiplicative. Then what? So let's solve this problem. X equal to square root of 4 into square root of 4 into square root of 4 infinite terms. So let's do general method. So infinite series, we can write it as x equal to square root of 4 into x. Squaring both sides, you get x square equal to 4x, hence x equal to 4. Very simple. So in multiplicative, actually it is very simple. You just take the number, that's it, the square root. That's the answer. Okay. So just for some practice example, x equal to square root of 7 into square root of 7 into square root of 7 in infinite terms, x is 7. If x equal to 40, square root of 45 into square root of 45 into square root of 45 infinite terms, then x equal to 45. So multiplication is much simpler than addition and subtraction, but this is how we can solve the multiple choice questions very fast and accurately. Thank you.